My side is the Laney Arts, Culinary Arts Baking and Pastry program. And we do all kinds of things over here. We feed the campus, we teach students how to work, we give them self-confidence, they always have something to take home at the end of the day, and they learn life skills. These are things like frosting a cake, writing happy birthday, making a loaf of bread.
Today we had a challenger to make a cake in 2 hours.
We want to take the egg whites, corn syrup, and vanilla extract, throw them in a mixer with a whisk attachment. Don't start whipping.
Like there are days where like we have like the most fun like making either candy, cake, bread, depending on what classes you're in for that semester.
We are super low cost, if not free. We have lots of services to help you, including free lunches, free produce boxes, all kinds of services to help you if you have a different learning style. We're prepared to take care of your situation. Amazing program at Laney College, it's Culinary Arts Pastry. We have students that go on to do amazing, great things, earn good money, and live their dreams. And do work for the rest of their lives that they love. That's